I realized that I have spoken a little fast, so you have to adjust the speed of the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here sharing a story time video for the very first time, and this will be a series, okay? Know by the title that this video is all about my experience with my students. Which kind of student, what students I'm gonna tell you. I urge you to get comfortable first. So I work as a communication coach, which probably you guys don't know because I've never committed anything publicly. But here I am telling that I work as a communication coach and I help people improving their fluency and build more confidence. But that's not thing today. Today I'm gonna share one of the weirdest experience that I had with one of my students and how I got out of it. Coach, communication doesn't have any barrier. It's just about finding a teacher and a student, right? And it doesn't matter what the age of the student is. So I got the student who is around 60 years old. But that's not the catch again. I have something else to tell you, okay? So she is from Delhi, and just in case you don't know how these aunties work and how these women work, you are probably missing out on the most fun part of their life, which is drama. In April, she enrolled herself in the course, and I was allotted as a teacher. Now, in the very first day when she introduced herself, my first question to her was, why do you want to learn communication now? And she was like, you know what, I feel a little difficult. Like she was speaking in Hindi कि मुझे ना थोड़ा communication में दिक्कत होता है and मुझे लगता है कि मैं भी बोलूँ बात करूँ. And I was like, wow, what a woman, wonderful woman. At 60 also she has this zeal to learn English and have a better communication. And we are like class. Second class, I just shared the schedule. Following days will be your classes, and this is the time. And she knew the time, but I have this habit that every day that I make my schedule, I message the student just to be extra sure that they don't miss out on the class and they don't forget it. That's like my personal effort that I take. That's like my personal effort that I take. Never mind. Now, first instance that happened was that she was always telling that I want to learn something else. So as she mentioned that she want to just talk, and when she is traveling she has this one thing के उनको ना बात करने में दिक्कत होती थी फ्रॉम द कस्टम्स ऑफिसर. सो आप कैसे कर सकते हो एंड इसको कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. एंड आई वाज लाइक, लेट्स डू रोल प्लेज, आई आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस एंड देन यू विल आंसर. एंड देन आई रियली हैड included lots of vocabulary words and lots of things to help her with that. Vocabulary she never used to do, never used to do the entire work that was assigned to her. She was so lazy, she could never do any homework. But you know what, that's fine, you're not doing the homework, but at least don't blame anyone, right? Now I'm coming to the blaming part. These things started happening on a regular basis. She was just doing one thing के मेरा टाइम नहीं होता है, मेरे घर में रेनोवेशन चल रहा है एंड ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है एंड ऑल. एंड आई वाज लाइक, या इट्स ओके, you are being the most elder person in the house, you have to take care of certain things. But she technically didn't do anything, she was just keeping an eye on people. That is also not my problem. My problem was like, see, in the class what used to happen is I'm the one who's explaining and she's the one who is not practicing at all. Expect your teacher to explain the concepts and everything clearly, but for 1 hour she cannot keep talking, right? You have to invest and have the interest yourself as well कि आप भी कुछ प्रैक्टिस करो यार, अपने डाउट्स पूछो. उसको कुछ डाउट नहीं पूछना है, कुछ नहीं पूछना है उनको जस्ट ये था कि मैं बोलूँ और उनको सब कुछ समझ में आ जाए. एंड आई वाज लाइक, नो, दिस इज नॉट इट गोज. यू हैव टू रियली शेयर योर इनपुट्स एज वेल इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू लर्न. 10 क्लासेस हो गए, बहुत बढ़िया. कोई होमवर्क वो नहीं करती थी एंड आई यूज टू बी द वन हु इज ऑलवेज पिकिंग एंड टेक्सटिंग हर कि आज क्लास है आप कितने बजे एंड ऑल. नाउ फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस वेयर द प्रॉब्लम स्टार्टेड. वन फाइन डे उनकी क्लास 5 बजे होनी थी. मैंने उनको अराउंड 12 बजे कुछ करीब मैसेज कर दिया था. माइंड यू, शी इज़ द वन हु इज़ ऑलवेज ऑन फोन एंड चेकिंग एवरीथिंग. एंड 4:45 बजे 5 बजे तक भी कोई उनका ओके या एक्नॉलेज मैसेज नहीं आया. I made my schedule and I made myself very clear that, you know what, today your class is at 5 and there was a rule that you cannot miss the class. If you're not messaging me back, this class will be considered as done. Okay, what happened there? Guess what happened there? She did not come. Till 5:30 I kept waiting and my slot got wasted and I was so agitated at this moment कि यार मेरे को तो class नहीं लेनी है and all. What she does is she calls me at .523 and she is like, आपने मुझे पहले नहीं बताया कि क्लास है. I was like, I have literally texted you at 12 or 1, आपने फ़ोन नहीं देखा, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. You just skipped my message. And she was like, नहीं मैंने तो फ़ोन देखा ही नहीं था and all. And I was like, no. And she said that please take my class at 5:30. And I was like, yeah, I am ready to join at 5:30, but मैं 6 बजे के ज़्यादा extend नहीं करूँगी because I have given that slot to someone else. She was like, नहीं 1 घंटे की क्लास लेनी पड़ेगी. I was like, ऐसे तो नहीं होता है ना. You have to respect others' time as well. You are missing the class, you're not coming in the class, and that's not my fault. You have to be there in the class, right? I very frankly accommodated her. I was like, it's okay, you missed the message and all, but I won't be able to do it till 6. 6 बज गए. जैसे 6 बजे मैंने उनको बोला कि see, I have to hop off, I have another call to attend and I have another class. She started asking doubts. And I was like, please keep them, I'll ask you next day. 5 minutes मेरे वहाँ वेस्ट हो गए. मेरी दूसरी स्टूडेंट तो 6 बजे थी, वो मुझे चिल्ला रही है कि मैम प्लीज़ कम प्लीज़ कम प्लीज़ कम, एंड शी इज़ टेक्सटिंग. एंड आई वाज लाइक गिव मी 5 more minutes. तो ऐसे में क्या हुआ कि मेरा ये क्लास एक्सटेंड हुआ, मेरी वो क्लास भी लेट स्टार्ट हुई. सी दिस इज़ वॉट इट हैपन्स. नाउ नेवर माइंड. We had a lot of altercations, like serious verbal altercation in the class. She was disagreeing with a lot of things, and I do agree with the fact that I am someone who will be like, you know, agreeing with everything कि हाँ ठीक है आप सही हो मैं गलत हूँ. I'm someone who will like not fight at all. अगर कोई मुझे कुछ बोल रहा है very softly, I'll be like yeah it's okay, done. After this class, what happened? After this class, the thing happened is that she asked me very frankly. Okay, next day when she comes in the class, she started behaving the most sweetest person ever, and that was something which was alarming. I should have guessed at that time कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने मुझसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें पूछी एंड शी वाज लाइक मैम मुझे तो पढ़ाई करनी है आपसे, आप मेरी क्लासेस ले लो एंड ऑल. एंड शी वाज pushing me towards taking her personal classes. You have to take classes from the company. If you want to renew, talk to them. And then she was like, no, do you really take your classes? I was like, yeah, I take classes here only. And this thing reframed it, and all of a sudden there is a mail in the inbox stating that I am manipulating her to take another class and I'm asking for money. Really? Anyways, so my manager gets this mail and I was having my dinner. My manager calls me and I was like, hey, do you have 2 minutes? Do you have a student named this? And I was like, yes, I do confirm that I have a student named this. And she was like, and then he started asking me several questions and I said, yes, this is what it is and all. Then comes the question, did you ask money? I was like, why would I ask money from her? She was like, no, her son has mailed me that you are asking for money. And I was like, what the hell? This lady asked me for classes and I said no, but she's saying that I asked money. This was really amazing. Okay, he was like, it's okay, people do like that, because I've explained the entire scenario कि क्या हुआ था उस दिन उनकी क्लास मिस हो गई थी and वो भी जो भी किया था उन्होंने. This guy like, अब वो जो मेरे स्टूडेंट है उनका बेटा literally just believed his mom. Of course, no one will believe a third person than their mom. That I totally understand, right? This thing happened and then they're like, this guy explained everything in her favor कि मेरी मम्मी झूठ नहीं बोल सकती and वो नहीं बोल सकती, and then it was a lot of calls and messages and everything, and at the end I won. I'll tell you how, because I had the proof of the messages that she is the one missing out on classes, I'm the one waiting, texting her on time. So this saved me. It's very serious when you're working with a company and they get to know that you're asking for money from other students to take their classes personally. People will always like, you know, question that we are putting out ads and then you are asking for money, you're stealing the students and stuff, and I get it. But this is the thing that people can actually use against you if you say something wrong, or if you're just being honest with them. People will use this against you. No matter what they're asking, how sweet they are, you should not tell anything about you to them. And also after that I joined the class again and she still had 5 classes left, and this is after the mail incident and everything. Okay, I'm joining the class. She is also particular about the timing. We had a proper fiasco for the class timings. Now she joins again and I was like, do you have a feedback for me? एंड शी इज़ लाइक नो नो, यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन एवर, यू आर द बेस्ट टीचर. क्योंकि मैंने तो उनको उस फियास्को के बारे में बोला ही नहीं, बिकॉज आई नेवर आस्क्ड हर एनीथिंग अबाउट दैट अगेन कि ऐसा ऐसा है, वैसा वैसा है, मेरे साथ ये मुझे मेल आया था एंड ऑल. See, when you are in class, you're taking continuous classes, you will take a break, right? You will take a break in the sense you will turn off your camera, stretch your arms and do everything. That is like totally personal. I asked her for 2 minutes and then I was just sitting, stretching my arms, and I cannot do it professionally. It's not like, it doesn't look good that you stretch your arms in front of your, in the class, right? I turned my camera off, very respectfully asked her that can I turn off my camera and do stuff. Yeah, it's okay, totally fine. I gave her a task and I said, give me 2 minutes, I'm here, I just need to grab something. I said the answers and she was just, reading out the answers, and I was like, yeah, that's correct, that's wrong, giving her all the answers. Now this time the water really got above my head because I'm listening to her constantly. She said, because you're doing आपका ध्यान इधर नहीं है और मुझे क्या पता है. मतलब आपको कैसे पता मेरा ध्यान इधर नहीं है? I just asked her this question, आपको कैसे पता मेरा ध्यान इधर नहीं है? She be like, बिकॉज आई नो कि मैं ना सबको जब घर पे काम कराती हूँ ना, मुझे पता होता है किसका ध्यान कहाँ है एंड किसका. एंड आई वाज लाइक, आर यू कंपेयरिंग मी विथ वन ऑफ द मेड्स दैट वर्क एट योर होम? एंड शी इज़ लाइक, नो नो, नॉट द मेड, बट आई नो हाउ पीपल वर्क. मैंने बोला, सी, डोंट बी बॉसी विद मी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, डोंट बी बॉसी विद मी. यू आर हियर टू लर्न, आई एम हियर टू टीच यू. डू नॉट गेट पर्सनल, डू नॉट मेक personal comments. And that was the day I decided that I'm never gonna take her class again. Now see, this was the second last class. I still had one more class left. Last day before concluding her classes, I said, you know what, ma'am, first of all, you should respect others' time. I gave her a feedback, like it was just a feedback. I just said that, ma'am, please try to respect others' time and don't make personal comments. I just said a lot of things to her and made her realize that she definitely did underestimate me a lot. Now, why I'm sharing this thing is that I realize that people are always judging you. First of all, I got this compliment that you're so young, how you can be a teacher. You don't always have to be like this teachers that we had in school with like specs and wearing sarees. We are new generation teachers. We will be like this kind of thing and always teach and help you guys, because at the end, profession doesn't change, but people who are coming in this profession are changing and evolving, because we don't want these strict teachers whom you are even scared to ask a question. You have to be friendly with your student to understand and grow with them, to help them feel comfortable about each other and to learn better. If you are making your student comfortable, they can do wonders. Okay, that was my point. But she really expected someone like her who is also khadoos. And yes, I'm saying khadoos because she actually commented on my way of teaching and the things that I was doing. If someone is commenting and they know, because I come with a lot of experience, and this is something which shows that how entitled people are. Mind you, I have not mentioned that she belonged from a really rich family. They had a book publishing business, well-known publishing house in Delhi. So she had this in mind that she is rich and I'm young, have control on me. Since this rich people have this kind of mentality and mindset that, you know what, we are rich. If you're rich, that doesn't imply that you have literally bought someone by just paying some thousands or something. You have to really understand that people are working and they are investing their time just to gain respect or build an identity or just help you, because you are the one coming to learn. We are not the one going. We have some capabilities, that's why we are sitting here and we know what to do, right? And after recalling all the incident, I'm like filled with anger. But this is something which happened and really opened my eyes and made me realize that how entitled people, rich people actually work. With that, I will share another instance next week, sharing my experience with one of the students who was mentally a little disturbed and how it affected me. I will share more details about this in the description box down below. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, learn something, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the description box down below. And I'll see you guys